All right. What's going on, everybody? It is good to be back. I just finished an exam, which I did satisfactorily on, and that's all that matters. So tomorrow I'm doing a Godot Q&A for the Godot Jam. Pretty excited about that. But before I do that, I really want to get this system working. So let me show you a little bit about how this works. So if I show it on OBS and then, oopsies. Then I run this. Why is that not working? Huh, that's weird. Okay, never mind. Super weird, because I haven't done anything. Ah, that's why, okay. Because we should be setting, this should happen, right? So, should be transparent. Why is that not transparent? That's bad. It's a bad start. It's a very bad start, some might say. Because that was working when I left it, so I don't really understand why that wouldn't work now. If we're literally just running the scene, why is it? Because the world environment node, maybe? Why do I have this here? I don't know. Let's delete it. Okay. What about now? Okay, so that was it. So I can't use world environment nodes. That's fine. I think it's just, that was like for some glow effect, but I can figure that out with a shader if I really am so inclined. Okay. So, few things that I wanted to do. The main one being I want to get the chat XP. I also don't know if this is currently working. And I need to be streaming to test it. So that's good. So essentially there's two things that I want to do. One is this, which is the chat manager. So I'll go ahead and show you what this does right now. And so the point of this, wait, what? Something was broken on some script. The point of this is so that when people chat in, their chats will pop up here and then they'll be able to get experience and level up. And then, yeah, so you'll see that. So that's cool. And I'll be getting to that in a second, but I really need to make sure that this thing is working. So this is a task manager, and I have it set up so that when I click the start stop toggle button, it should contact the YouTube API, and then we should be able to do this and get the actual start time. Let's go ahead and print start time, and then let's run this. Oh, it's making me, interesting. It's gonna make me sign in again. You can't see it, but it's had me do, you know, the typical sign into Google. Do you allow them to use these permissions? Okay, then it just received the JSON there. Cool. No active stream on channel? Well, that's just objectively false. And I think everyone watching this can attest to that, of which there is no one right now, but that's fine. Unless this is inaccurate, but I don't think it is. Yep, no one's watching, that's cool. But whatever. Okay, so what exactly the fuck? Waiting for live stream info. Huh. That's weird. Let's try this again. Okay, so it seems like it should be working. Can anyone hear me? Let's make sure that's happening, actually, real quick. Okay, so it seems like it should be working. Can anyone hear me? Oh yes, you can more than hear me. In fact, that's pretty fucking loud. Change that to 27, how's that sound? Oh yes, you can more than hear me. In fact, that's pretty fucking loud. Change that to 27, how's that sound? Oh yes, you can more than hear me. In fact, that's pretty fucking loud. Okay, sorry, doing that infinite loop there. Okie dokie. So, that is certainly not how long I've been streaming though, right? I've been streaming for, yes, almost 10 minutes. So this means that this is incorrect, and I don't know why. It's also not printing the start time. Okay, let's do this. Print hi, and then we'll say print OAuth, and then we'll do print YT API. Okay, and then this should print the start time right there at the end, and then we'll do. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's try it one more time here. This should be working. Okay, hi. Make loading screen OAuth2.authorize yield OAuth2 token received. Okay, so it's not, currently it's not getting to this. So this must not be working. Let's do print hi. Using a lot of calls here, but luckily I have 10,000. Very interesting. Oh no, so that did do that. So okay, so this yield here is never happening. So we're yielding for OAuth2 token received. Let's go to OAuth2. Oh fuck. My dog just literally like slid down my lap onto the floor like a ninja. But more like a pug than a ninja, I'll be honest. Okay, so we've got the token received signal, and I'm emitting this signal right here. So this should work. And unless this is just not working here, which I think it is, right? Let's print print hi. Because this has to be running, because otherwise we'd be getting this error, and we're not. What's happening to the debugger here? Connect returns a value. Okay, that's fine. All right. What the heck? Okay, so that's actually a good thing, because the fact that means that this is just never getting called. So get token from JSON is never being called. So function authorize. So we have to call authorize os.execute interpreter path. Okay, when are we calling this? It should, god damn it. I'm thinking real hard about getting like a servo motor and an Arduino and just making a door that opens when my dog like hits the side of the door there, because she does it just like constantly in and out, in and out. It's so annoying. I mean, obviously pretty cute, but yeah. Okay, so what is calling this function? I'm gonna just do this. Search, find in files, authorize, and then we'll go like that. Okay, find. So task manager. So I'm calling the function right here. When button press OAuth2.authorize. Okay, so that means, so this is being called var error equals os.execute credentials.py. Okay. Oh, it's not gonna show me those. But okay, get credentials.py. Global dir path, get credentials.py. Maybe this is moved? Because maybe this isn't working. Let's do print authorizing. All right. Okay, So that, again, is partially good news, because essentially what that to me means, but it's not, what? Also, what is, when you search scrape, why is this running? Ah, okay, well that's fine. We'll figure that out later. This is the main problem. So if error equals okay, get token from JSON, else push error executing this with the error. But it's not pushing that error. So to me, so let's print error. Let's go print hello. Here we'll go print key. Doesn't really matter. So we should see all of that print. So it did all print. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I fookity doopity. I have to do that. Ah, dang it. I made it so that, because now I've got all these extra chromes here. That's not what I want to do. So that it's like kind of a getaway of, I do have 2 chromes open. Okay, cool. Okay, so all these are happening. So get token from JSON is being called right here. Okay, so we know that that must be happening. So why was this print? Yeah, okay, so that should print. We should, whatever. Okay, and we know this is giving me that, right? So get token from JSON, and so we know that's printing hello, where I'm printing the error right here, there is 0. Okay, so the signal, okay, so that was printing there, token JSON path. So res OAuth2 token info.json. Res auth2. Oh, you can't. That's so annoying. Okay. I don't understand why they would not let you see other files in the file system here. Okay. Godot code. LiveStream games. But we do want the project files. Auth2 token info.json. There it is. Okay, let's open that up in VS Code real quick. Okay, so it's saving a token here. Probably shouldn't have showed you guys that, but hey, it'll refresh it in 10 seconds anyway. So that's there. That's at that path. Let's do copy as path name. Yeah, OAuth2 token info.json. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let's put some more prints. I really don't get, this was all working, so this is not even what I wanted to work on. Okay, let's try this. We're gonna print high. Okay, that prints high. Okay. Let's print error here. Error 0, so this should be working. Text equals get file as text. Token equals parse system. Okay. Print hello. Last time, please. Okay. So it is emitting the signal. It's supposedly token received. So then if we go back to, not this one, but this one, on start stop button toggled, OAuth2.authorized, yield OAuth2 token received. So why would that not work? Yo, what's up, Shivafear? Yeah, I know Godot 3.4 is released. I'm probably not going to upgrade for quite a while because I just don't trust it. Like, things are going to break that I don't want to deal with. So I'm just going to stick with this version probably for a while. Probably, yeah. I mean, maybe after the stream tomorrow, I might switch over, but definitely not until then. Yeah, I guess that's my definition of a while. So it's so weird though, because so this is clearly not happening. Make loading screen OAuth 2 token received, waiting for OAuth 2, yield OAuth 2 token received. So, make loading screen. Okay, so maybe it's the loading screen. Let's do this. Let's see now. Oh, that's weird. We can do that. No, that was not it. That was not it, my friends. Okay. Look, there's the chat right there. What are you working on? So this is actually like a little live stream widget here for Godot. I mean for OBS. And so, well, here, I'll show you. So I can go ahead and make it visible in OBS here. If I run this here, there we go. So now you can see that it's actually up there, but I can interact with the app here. So what it'll do is make this full screen, and then I'll go put this somewhere you guys can't see, like over here. And then I can go and interact with this. And so I'll be able to officially start the stream. Well, this won't start the stream. This will get like when the stream time starts, and then I can put like tasks, like, I don't know, like if someone asks a question like how to make smooth camera, and then I can do this. Okay, yo, what? Did I upgrade? I think I updated Godot. I must. Yep. I think I did update Godot because everything's just broken. This all worked. All of this worked. None of it was not working. And now, like, none of it's working. It's awful, dude. I'm kind of freaked out. I thought I was gonna like get a lot of stuff done, and now it's like nothing is working. Oh God. Okay. My fucking dog. I'm not letting you back in, Beanie. You're done. Get out. Get out. They both keep just going in and out. It's so irritating. Okay. So. Why on God's green fudging earth would this button not work, man? Okay, there's that button. Signal pressed, connected to VBox container here. Wait a second. Where is this connected to? Oh, it's in there, task creator, okay. Emit signal, task created, task name. Okay. Okay, and that bounces that up to VBox. That's how I did that. Okay, that's fine. So then we make the task instance. Oh, never mind. I'm dumb. The reason that didn't work is because I want to put. Oh fuck. My there she is. She's staying outside this time though. My mouse is at like 30%, so I might have to use this crappy little mouse I bought to use my Raspberry Pi. No, I knew I wasn't in 3.4. I thought I like was at 3.3 before. And then updated 3.3.4 recently. Christ, okay, fine. Come in here. They're so annoying. Okay. Yeah, so the reason is I made it so you have to start the stream before you can add tasks, but I didn't put any, I haven't made any alert system. I was just like, oh, I'll remember that, which is dumb. I should do that, but that's now definitely lower on the priority list. But it still makes absolutely no sense to me why this is not working. Because we're calling, this signal is being emitted. Like it is, right? So I really don't understand. We're calling the function on OAuth2. Where is OAuth2? We're calling this function. This is working. We know that this is calling this function, and we know that this signal is being emitted. So I really, maybe I just have to, here, let's try this. Yield get score tree dot create timer 0.1 timeout. Okay, let's see, maybe that was the problem. Okay, so that was the problem. That's very good news. I gotta force quit this now. Okay, so static function get time from broadcast. Non-function split and base nil. Say if date time is string, say else return null. Oh, wait, what? Ah, I see. So we'll just return an empty array if not. Okay. What the fuck is happening, dude? Why is everything breaking? This was all working. Let's go this. Force quit that because I don't want that to be doing that shit. Oh, and of course, now we're gonna have to go to that Chrome there. Quitter. Uh-oh. I quit the good Chrome? No, good. Quit the garbage Chrome. The garbage Chrome. Okay. I would really love to figure out what is exactly going on. And I feel like I'm running around my head cut off right now, to be honest, because I've been out of the game for so long. And also this was just working the last time I was using it, so I'm very, very confused. I don't quite understand where it's breaking. I kind of wish I didn't just put that quick patch on that because I didn't even look at, I thought I would just fix this real quick and be done. Emit signal, error calling method from signal broadcast ID received, canvas layer loading screen die, method expected 0 arguments but called with 1. Broadcast ID received. This is the YouTube API script. Okay, so we need loading screen and emit signal broadcast ID received. Ah, I see. Okay. And then on here, why would it? Okay, we'll just do this. I'm again just patching it because I just need to get something. Okay. I imagine this is still going to break somewhere along the lines. Okay, but now that's breaking at a much more reasonable spot. It's just a big problem because every time I do this, I have to close one of these chromes. That wasn't even it. No. Always in a mood. There we go. That was it. Nice. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, it's because you showed up, man. You're the curse. No, I don't know. I'm... Now I don't even know where I had that other function. Is it in here? Let's see, that was... Let's see, is static... No. Let's go search, find files. I don't think I had any other static functions. There we go. Okay. So it's in chat scraping. This is in chat scraping. No, it's not. Static function. Okay. So this is in YouTube API. And we are calling this function where? Nowhere, right? Yeah, nowhere. We're calling it somewhere else. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm actually going to leave this like that. And let's do this one more time and it'll break again. But this time, we can see why it's not working. Okay, invalid call, non-existing function split in base nil. So now I want to see where exactly we're calling that at function. Okay. Oh, so this is actually, let's go to the output. Okay, cool. So that means we made it down now to this. And we're calling this function, start stop button toggled, start time, get seconds from time, YouTube API get time from broadcast, YouTube API live broadcast resource get actual start time. Okay. Ah, I see. What? Oh, I see. That's because this. Okay, so we need to go to the YouTube API right here. Broadcast ID, so I gotta figure this out. Broadcast ID string. Okay. Broadcast ID. Okay. Here's the output. Okay, so it did get the broadcast ID. So that's the problem, but it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, live broadcast resource equals data that get items 0. Okay, so let's print live broadcast resource. Can I just run this? No, okay. It's gonna make me do all this again, which is not great. So I feel a little bad about it. Okay, that's that one. That's that one. Fuck. That was not the right one. That was the one I use. Yep. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Oh, and that was the wrong one too. Dude, I hate that the web scraper I use uses the same actual browser that I use here. Okay, let's see. Can I go to history and just open that right back up? Yes, I can. Wunderbar. And we back. Madhava, what's going on, man? If you're asking me how life's going, it's just all right. Med school's not fun. I think it's gonna get fun, but this first semester is just awful, man. Okay, so we haven't run it this way yet. I think we're gonna have to, which is kind of a pain because and it's gonna break. Okay, so I want to see. Okay, so this is working. First of all, let's quit this. Yes, okay. Okay, so this is it. Discord, why does it have that? Is default broadcast live chat ID. So we've got this. So if we go, so get time from broadcast, date time. So we're calling that from task manager, and then we're saying YouTube API.live broadcast resource.get actual start time. So, well, yeah, I'm so dumb because I should just stop doing this and start doing print YouTube API dot live broadcast resource. Okay, so let's do that real quick. Here, let's actually do that because we know that that's no longer the problem. Okay. 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 Can't sleep, bro. I feel you that. I don't think what just came out of my mouth was English, but I feel you. I stay up late at night for no reason. Like I finished everything I have to do, but for some reason I don't want to let myself go to bed. Yeah. Nice, dude. Oh yeah, I don't know if I told you guys. I joined a research lab, like a real research lab, and we're building robots that can climb telephone poles with the hope that they'll be able to change wires. And so there's a legit engineer in the group who knows way more than me about actually controlling stuff, and it's kind of annoying because he knows more than me, but there's some ideas where I need to you need to listen to me, you know. But I don't know. I figured out how to do computer vision too. It's dope. It's 4:15? Oh, you're crazy. Do you have anything to do tomorrow? Okay. Why? So why can't? No, I'm not trying to get the live chat ID. So we have published at. I know why this is not working. It is because in the YouTube API script, when we save live broadcast resource, yeah, so let's do this. Let's print data. Okay, I don't know why I'm printing this. Okay. Let's clear the terminal here. Run that. Why did it print it twice again? Oh, because this is data. And this is just items. So this is items. You know why? It's because there's no actual start time. Ah, there it is. We need to say get snippet. Okay, so let's not print this because I'm a little confused right now. Here, let's do, let's go to, I've got Chrome. Let's open another Chrome. New window. Okay, and then we're gonna say YouTube live chat. Live chat API. Live broadcast resource. Live chat messages. That's not what we want. We want live broadcasts and overview. And then let me go back here. Oh, dude. Oh, how do you do that, man? How are you gonna wake up in 4 hours? I got only like just a little under 7 hours of sleep last night, and I still feel horrible, as they say in New York. Okay, so this is what I should be returned. And so I don't even see where items is on this. But we need actual start time, which should be right here. Okay, that should be in snippet. So I think if we do items, so right now I'm printing data. Is there actual start time in here? Oh, this is all in it. Okay, so what if we say get snippet? Yeah. Okay. Live proximity dot get snippet. Okay, and then let's print that. Dude, why is that happening? Why are you always in the mode? Yeah, I'm gonna have to restart my computer after this. The problem is, like, when this isn't working, I'm gonna have like a bunch of weird, nah, don't sleep. Sleep is for pussies, dude. It's not like, they actually, something really interesting, they did this research study, and you couldn't survive longer without food than without sleep. By a long shot, right? Like, if we're specifically REM sleep, if you don't get, like, I think it was like 4 days of REM sleep, you'll start to break down, and I think you can die within 5 days of no REM sleep, which is pretty insane. It's like, you literally need sleep more than you need food, and I think you can last a week without water, so it'll kill you before, you know, dying of thirst would, which is pretty nuts. You know what I mean? It's a very important thing, and you learn when you sleep. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Learned a lot. None of that in med school, though. Okay, so I want to get rid of whatever else is printing, because I want to make sure I know where did I put the other print function. Is it in Task Manager? Yes, that's what I don't want. Let's go back to the YouTube API. Okay. Yeah, because now I don't know exactly what was printed from there and what wasn't. Let's actually also go back to the YouTube API here, and then we'll say, oops, not that. I want to say, let's do prints, and then I'll do here, and then it is that, right? Okay. Beautiful, okay. Cool. Okie dokie. Here, actual start time. So this is the snippet. Wait, I'm confused. Now what if we do get, and then we say actual start time from there. I think that's it. This is like such a simple thing. I'm kind of upset that it's throwing me for such a loop. Oh, thank you. Thank you, dude. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys noticed. Let's see. Let's make sure OBS is being normal. But like right down here, this is all the chat. You can see it's all popping up right there. So by the end of the video, I'm not going to stop until I get this done. I'm going to have the chat displaying up in this chat manager here. Like, just like how this is going to... Oops, that's the wrong thing. Just like how this is doing that with chats, and then they fade away. There we go. That is going to happen with your messages in chat. I will not stop till I get that done. And then basically by chatting, you're going to be able to get like experience points. Okay. The loading screen approach I took was definitely very weird. Typically I make a global thing. But this time I decided to make one that you spawn and then it kills it. Whoa, kills itself. What's up? Yeah. But anyway. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's go back to the YouTube API here. So this is the correct way to get the actual start time. I don't know if my mic's picking up the crazy sounds my dogs make, but it's hysterical. Okay, let's go back to the task manager, and we want to do this. All it was missing was that get snippet. Also, trying to be fancy and doing it in one line is never a fantastic idea, but it's something I do fairly often. Okay. No, come on, bro. Invalid operand string and int in operator times. Let's do print time here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, so essentially what I'm doing right here is that we're doing the auth to authorization to get a token. Then we're contacting the YouTube API with that token to get information about the live stream that's going on right now. Right? Hello. Oh, you're trying to see? Yeah, it'll pop up down there. It does pop up in relative real time though. I've slowed it down a little bit for just making it more efficient, but I'm gonna try and figure out how to make it faster again or more responsive. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So we get all the information about this stream, and then what we do is we use that information here, and then of course, for some fucking reason, it's breaking. So let's print. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm really doing here. Okay. Because it's gonna break. And if we go to the output, it should say here. So these 14Z. Why the fuck is there a Z in there? Okay. So actual start time, date time. Oopsies. Date time. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing from this is, where am I putting this? In YouTube API. Get time from broadcast date time. Return date time dot split t, because it should be in this format, right? That should always just be there. Okay, so split t. Okay. One, because we only want this part. And then we say dot split plus y. Why would I do that? There shouldn't be a plus. Get time from broadcast date time. Unless, did they change that recently? Did they change the format or something? Here, let's. Oh no, wait, didn't it? No, let's just do this. Print date time. Making a mess right here, but let's just do it. Okay. Output. Date time is 2021. T. Okay, yeah. So it's in. So that function's just fucked. I think that's better. I'm always in the mood. Oh my god. Don't be that one. Yes. Okay. Okay. No concurrent viewers. That's all chill. See if I care. Okay. So this is what we're getting, which is exactly what that says there. Why is this a plus? Why did I do that? Yeah, that's exactly what this says it should look like. Split plus 0. So why is that splitting plus? So this first split 1 is going to get us everything over here. Why would I split plus 0? Oh, because it could potentially have a plus in it. Like here's. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, time zone designator is what obviously we want to get rid of. But which one are they using here? It doesn't look like. I guess they're doing like Z, right? So get rid of that. They are doing this one. They are using that one. So, yeah, so this could have a plus. Ah, okay. All right, all right, all right. So if we split, if we do this, what I should really do is just do a little something like, so here is an example of a real date time that we received, and I would like to convert that. So that's what I actually did last time. I took this example, and then I made sure I split this correctly. 2210 and then 14z. Okay, so all we have to do is remove the z, right? That should be, because that's giving us the seconds. Yeah, and then, so we'll say date time equals that, and then we'll return date time. And then here we want to say date time should be always the last one, right? -1. And then, so that should, Yeah, she is.
Oh, you're right there, little boy.
You're amazing, yeah. Please sleep. Have a great sleep. Have a as good of a day as you can muster from 4 hours of sleep. I don't know how you do that, but yeah. Have a great day, man. Okay. So, this is grabbing 14Z, which is now, and we just want to do, I think it's just remove. Var equals H F dot remove erase, I think it's erase, okay. Dot erase Z. Okay, and let's just see if that fixes all our problems. Maybe it will. Expected 2 arguments. Okay, maybe I just don't understand what the hell is going on here. Okay, let's do this. Get the string class here. And where is the erase function or remove? Erase. Oh, position. No, we want to do, is it strip? Count, empty, ends with erase, find last, format, hash, hex to exit, L strip, left strip, or just left, length, match. It's got to, I mean, there's one in replace, that's what we want, and we just replace, okay, let's just do that then. Okay, so dot replace, and then we're just going to replace the Z for an empty one here. Let's do that. It's still fucking there, dude. Okay, let's see. Where did I just open this? I think I'm gonna have to close some of these guys because this is a little insane. Don't know what the hell I'm looking at anymore. Probably should have left many of those open, but that's okay. Okay, YouTube API. So we're replacing. Oh, is -1? Yeah, -1's not what we want. We want the end of the list. So in this case, it's 3, so we want 2. What the fuck? Why? Why? Okay, now I'm starting to think that replace does not do it in place. Replaces a currency. Okay. Okay, so it does it in place. Okay, sensitive substring. Okay. Print. Okay. Date, time, 2. Let's just print date. %100% better way to do this. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Now let's print date, time, 2. $14Z. Okay. So finally, I've got to fix this because holy smokes. I don't even know which crumb's which right now. Okay, well, that's interesting. Holy bursh. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my mind. Gonna pull up chat again. Why you always in the mood? Da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Okay. Daytime equals daytime dot blah blah blah. Daytime 2. So we know that that is giving us this. So, and replace should be doing it in place. It's not returning it, right? Yeah, it's modifying datetime 2. Time 2 equals that. I'd imagine this will give me an error. Again, it's giving me an error. Wait, now it doesn't make sense, because now I know for a fact that that should work. Why am I not converting these things to ints, though? They're still strings, obviously. Oh, I think I'm going to do that in this function. So this should be int times 0, just like that. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, God, it's so annoying. There's no way to know which one you're closing because it moves every time you click on it. So it's, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Okay. I'm not going to open chat until I solve this because it's just... Oh! Okay. Now, we're most of the way there because the program is no longer crashing, ladies and gentlemen. But, as you can see, the time that was displayed there at the top was freaking massively negative. So somehow I'm doing the math wrong in the task manager script here. So if I go to task manager, you don't want to print the time anymore. Don't have to do that. We solve those problems. And then if we go back to, should be task manager, right? Okay, start time, get seconds from time, YouTube API. Where else am I printing? Oh, there we go. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, okay, we don't need none of that. All right, oopsies. Okay. Look at all that beautiful stuff. Now, where is that being printed from, though? I still don't totally understand where that is. Is it in this script? Nope. Should be pushing error on those and not printing, but whatever. YouTube, you want to get time for broadcast ID. YouTube A, live broadcast that gets snippet, get actual start time. So I get the actual start time, and we convert it to seconds. And that should be done. I don't do that in this, do I? Yeah, I do. Get time from seconds. Get seconds from time. Then you should definitely be right next to each other. Okay, get seconds from time. Time, we take hours, which is int, to convert. And then we add the hours plus minutes plus seconds. Okay, that looks good, right? There's 3,600 seconds in an hour. There's 60 seconds in a minute. And obviously, seconds are Literally seconds. You know what I'm super confused about and not liking right now is the fact that this has returned to us 14. Oh, wait, I'm so dumb. Yes, because that was the actual start time. Okay. So I actually do think that is fine. The problem here is how are we using start time? And I don't think that's correct. So on
We discussed it in the
Sure. Box container, mouse entered, or mouse exited. Where is this happening? Task completed, onset final duration. Up here. Where's that happening? Where's the loop? Refresh. Okay, yeah, where is this? Where is on refresh? There you are. Okay. Seconds elapsed equals get takes milliseconds divided by 1,000. Why am I dividing by 1,000? Why am I doing that? Oh, we should just do this in like the ready function. Okay, let's do print. Oh, well now I need to look that up. Okay, so get ticks milliseconds. Returns the amount of time since the engine has started. Why am I using that? That makes no sense. We want start time minus that, because I see. We need to calculate how much time has passed from the start time. So we don't want the OS get milliseconds. What we actually want is the actual time. So we want to say like get time. Beautiful. Returns a dictionary of keys, hour, minute, second. Yeah, this is what we want. So we want to say literally just get time. Unless we can say get time milliseconds. Get score time. What's Unix time? Is that in seconds? The current Unix epoch time second. No, that is not what we want. Yeah, let's just use get time. Okay. Get time. It's actually hour, minute, second. Okay. UTC. Okay. So get time. So what we want to do here is then. Wait, where was I doing that? Okay. All right. I'm going to do print os.get underscore time. Okay, and then let's see what that gives us. Okay, yeah. So it's a dictionary. So then we can call. We want the hour, minute, and seconds. Okay, cool. Now the only problem with that is that it doesn't work with our current function. Get seconds from time. But it's not too hard. So this is the format, right? So So I'm going to make a new function. So I'm going to say function get current time secs. Oh, another dumb thing. This is getting the seconds, not the milliseconds. And I was using milliseconds before. Okay, anyway, but so we want to say var time equals os dot get get underscore time. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to say time then equals, and we want to say get seconds from time, get underscore seconds from time, and then we're going to provide this. So we're going to say time. So we want hours, minutes, seconds. So we want, literally, I'm just going to take this. Okay, and then we're going to have to go like this. Except hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, and how do we do this? So hour. Oh, well, let's do. I don't know why I keep trying to find a way out of this. It's really not that complicated. Hours, min, seconds. Okay, should be minute, should be second. Okay, time equals get seconds from time, time, hour. Sorry, time get seconds from time, hour, minute, second. These should be, I think those are ints. If not, we'll figure that out pretty quickly. Yeah, and so this will give us the, well, we need to return time. Okay, so var time equals almost that time equals that. So we're gonna get the seconds from that, and then we're just going to return whatever that is. And so that will be the time in seconds of the current day. Which I don't even know if that's really what we wanted to solve. But so this is definitely not working. This is since we started the engine, which is not what we want, right? That's totally useless to us. This should be times 1,000 if anything. And then the start time will be the time of day. So if we do seconds elapsed, oh wait. Oh, you know why? It's because I thought this meant the time that the engine did start, that's why I made that mistake. Okay, which is a dumb thing. Why would they even make that function there? And that can't be what I thought. I don't know what I was thinking, but I definitely thought this was working. No, you know why? It's because before start time was just get out os get takes milliseconds, and I haven't done anything to fix that since we changed that. In fact, right here we're setting start time equal to that, which can't happen anymore. We need that not to happen because we want start time to be only set right here. Okay, so the start time again, so for instance, this might be like 18. This should only be bigger than start time, right? Because you will have to have started before we've done this. So we want to do this minus start time. That is correct. So we want to say get current time seconds, okay, minus start time. That's going to be our seconds elapsed. And then I'm also doing that down there. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's see what we got going here. Nope, that is not working. It's definitely not negative fucking 3. But there's all your chat, so that's working. The number's getting smaller. It's not good. How could start time be bigger? We started well before the current time in milliseconds. So let's just print get current time and then start time. Let's see what that do. Fuck. Because we are not adjusted for daylight savings time, but the time is adjusted for daylight savings time. Motherfuck. Oh, and that's why, everything's making sense now, but it's shit I just didn't think about. Okay, so I don't think anyone's even watching me, but I'll go ahead and explain. Yo, what's up, Javon? Yeah, everything, it's all right. Medical school sucks. I wouldn't do it if I were you. But, you know, I'm glad to be back, finished an exam today. But I just made a big breakthrough, even though it's just a bunch more work that I have to do. But essentially, I was confused as to why this function, get time from broadcast time, was breaking. And it's because this worked before daylight savings time was taken into effect. But now that daylight savings time is taken into effect, we have to account this Z here, the Z. And so the Z, if we, did I close Google? I did, god damn it. Okay. Oh yes, I need to make a new one here. We should name these. Put this over here. Okay. Let's go history. Yeah, I'll open 5 tabs. Oh, that's not the right one. Put this over here. Okay, there you go. History. I think this is what I was interested in. Yes, this is what I was interested in. Okay. So this is what it's giving us. So time zone difference. TZD. So let's do this. Damn it. Okay. It started up the other Google, which is now not even gonna work for me. That's great. Okay. So this is what it spat out, right? So it's not even, so that should still be 22 minutes, or 22, 10, 14, but then we need to take into account the time zone difference. So I guess, I just don't understand exactly, like they're not giving us the time zone difference, right? They're just putting Z there. So it's like, maybe I'm stupid, bro. I don't, okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Bum, 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 bum. No, we definitely don't need to be on chat player or chat manager, task manager. And then, so this is printing, this will print the current time and the start time here. which is fine, but that doesn't really matter. Problem is this is smaller, but okay, this is what I was trying to do. Get time zone info. Returns current as a dictionary of keys hour, minute, second. Or returns the current time zone as a dictionary with the keys, bias, and name. Huh. So we need daylight savings time. Okay, let's DST. Why would you not put daylight savings time with time and date instead? Okay, so we need to do get date time, and we also need to get daylight savings time. So let's come back here and let's do print os dot get date time. Okay, and let's just run this one specifically real quick. Okay, DST false. Oh, wait, I thought daylight savings time was happening right now. Oh, it ended November 7th. It ended. It's so dumb. I hate it. I hate daylight savings time. Okay. So then I'm confused because there should not be daylight savings time. Why is actually their problem? All right, let's run this. Okay, now what? Oh, I have to stop this because I put that in the wrong place. Okay, yeah, so that's exactly 10,000 off, right? Because that's the time I started. This is the current time. Nope, that's not. I don't get it, dude. I hate working with time. Okay, how long has this stream been going on? Question number 1. We've been live for an hour and 20 minutes and 10 seconds, meaning that we started at 5:10, right? Yeah, so we started at 5:10. So if we started at 5:10, I don't think that's the start time it's giving us. Let's see. Where could I print that? You know what? I think this is also doing that to me. Yes, okay, thank God. I hate that so much. I don't know why I have it. Okay, I think I might get rid of Flux. For Godot, yes. But I would like to just... Oh, I can just quit it. You know, just quit Flux. There we go. All right. Much better. Even though it burns my eyes a little bit, now I can actually understand shit, and then I can just dim it a little bit. There we go. Same difference. Okay. Wow, that is a whole new ball game. Bum 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 bum. Why are you always in the mood? Going around acting brand new. This is what I want to do. So this is like kind of like a physics process type function that I made. It's doing it every 60 seconds. Now, get current time in seconds, get start time. This is going to be on the YouTube API. When we run this, I do want to just print daytime. Gotta wait for a second before I quit this, otherwise it's gonna keep Chrome open. I don't know why, if it's in the middle of doing something in my Python script, it just won't quit it, but I have it set up so it quits the script when I quit the application. But in real life, I would never have to worry about that because I would always keep it running. Ah, sorry, Leonardo, I just saw your thing there. Let's see what you got. Hey dude, a few days ago I finished the non-coders guide and I just want to thank you so much for those videos. Not only help me understand, but to start my adventure of the game developer. Aw, thanks man. I'd love to hear that. That's so awesome. I really need to do the last one. I just keep not having time and feeling like shit. You know, I think I'm just gonna like pull it together and just get it done on Friday. And it might not be the best thing ever, but it just needs to be done. So it's not that hard to explain a for loop, right? But anyway, but yeah, thank you so much. I'd love to just complete that. I love that I'm like actually able to help people with that stuff. Okay, so this says that the start time was... Wait. Oh, that's in GTC! Right? 12, or 22 minus 12 is 10. So they're saying that I started at 10:10. Assumingly, yes, it's 22, so 10:10 p.m. Okay. So this is just the format. They're not saying what time that is, and then this should tell me if it's in the date and time the broadcast actually ended. This was revealed once the broadcast is complete. What time is that? Like what time zone? How am I supposed to know that stuff? Is that in here somewhere else? Scheduled start time, end time, actual end time is default cover, live chat ID, URL with height, thumbnails, description, title, channel ID, published at, ID tag. I would like to order food. Just a friendly debate about the normal range of blood osmolarity. Yeah, that happened. We were like legitimately arguing. Like 10 numbers difference about what we thought blood osmolarity should be. That's where I've come, you guys. You guys like sodium, right? Right? Everyone likes a little bit of sodium. It's a really stupid joke. Okay, does this even have... Yeah, here's the actual start time, but it's not telling... Why is it not saying... Published at date time, then add to YouTube's live broadcast schedule. The time is specified in blank format, but it's not... Oh my god. Why is it not saying what time zone that's in? It just says Z. And if we go to the... No, that's not what I want to do. I want to right-click that. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's just saying 14Z. It's not telling me what I need to add or subtract here, which I'm just so confused about. Okay, items. I'm doing this. And then I'm calling that from Task Manager. Task Manager, I'm calling that right here. Get seconds from time. YouTube. Get time from broadcast date time. YouTube API dot broadcast get snippet dot get actual start time. So that should be, yeah, so this is exactly what YouTube is giving me, right? Wait, what? This is yesterday? Yo, I'm so confused right now. What time is it giving me? It says it was at 10:10 p.m. yesterday. So is GTC the... Hold the phone. Okay. Isn't it called GTC or am I tripping? What's it called? Oh, UTC, right? Yep, UTC. 11:37 p.m. Oh, baby. Okay. Okay, I understand, good sir. Okay, now is there a... Nope. There is no... No, they give you... You can do Unix time, but you can't get UTC time. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, my God. Get date time. Returns current date time, as a, and then we can say UTC true, and it should fix everything. Oh, my God. I'm getting real excited. Okay, get current time. Get current time seconds. And then here we're going to say true. And now let's give it our best shot. Fire away. Okay, it is open that. Ho 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 ho! Oh my God, it feels good. Okay, so as you can see, what has happened here is that if we go up to the stream time, and I think this is going to be... No, it's not doing it. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't know if anyone's actually watching. Yeah, I got 3 people watching. All right. So, this is the actual window right here. As you can see, I can move this around. But what you see right out here on your screen is actually being projected in OBS. So I'm going to make this window go away, make it go full screen here, and I'm going to put it on my other monitor, which is how this is meant to be used. And now, so you should be able to, whoa, there we go. That's a problem, isn't it? So you should be able to see me, or see it, but I currently, there's nothing on this screen, right? There's nothing, I see nothing here. I see something over here though, and I have the stream time. This counts the actual stream time, so if you go to the YouTube, if we go to YouTube and look at how long I've been on this, this counts the... This is so not what this... We're not even at the chat scraping part yet. But okay, so this is... How much? What's the time? Oh, we can go right here. 1:29:43. I mean, that's pretty damn good, dude. I think it's simply that this has not actually caught up. That's the latency. I think that because with this, we're getting the actual start time of the broadcast. So I think that it's just, this is the latency between actually recording it and whatnot. Yeah, I think the latency is like 6 seconds. That's actually really not bad for latency. But okay, cool. That is very, very good. Very, very nice, yes. Okay, and then I can quit this program because I'm done with it. We can also go here and stop printing this. Okay. Warning, integer division. I hate that. And then this is just a note for myself. Okay. Okay. Okay, now somewhere else is printing. I think that was in right here. Yep, right here. I do really quickly actually want to grab one of these examples. And then I'll just add a Z here, so that way people know I'm not crazy. Okay. times literal z left and okay. Just so I understand why I did that, because it doesn't really make sense if you look at what they're saying. It should not include a literal z in the string. But anyway, I think my girlfriend's about to ask me. Let's do this. Let me, can I add a friend? Okay. Alrighty then. So now that means the task manager is done for what I need it to be done. So that's cool. Mostly, I just realized that in doing this, now I've made it so that I cannot, so like if I run this, okay, and I start, should work, beautiful, just like that, and now, this is great, obviously, and then I can add something, like I can say, okay, now we're going to start on the chat player, right, and then I'll hit that. Now that's there, and then we can start that at any time. Okay, that's fucked up, so I got to fix that. But the point, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I would like to be able to edit this. So like, for instance, I did these in the past, right? So I would like to be able, like if I added a task that was in the past, I would like to be able to like actually change the start time manually so I can say, oh, this is about when I started it. But whatever, okay, that's fine. So now, but this should be quick. Oh, famous last words. The dying man. Okay, panel container. Task created. I thought we were creating the instance here. Oh, yep. You know why? Because there is a separate task scene. And task name, start, stop, and then yep, that's why, because we need to get, let's go to task manager, get time from sex, get sex from time, get current time sex. I am going to actually do a little bit of reorganizing here that might fuck me, because I'm going to put these in my global script here, because I think they can be handy. Okay, and then what we have to do is anywhere so you get current time. Hell yeah, she's getting Indian food, baby. We just want to replace that with task manager globals dot get current time sex, place all. Okay. Two matches, and then again, we're just gonna do this. Place all. Task manager. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, well we can do this though. Just fix that because that should be a lowercase l. Replace all. Hey, all right. Now, oh wait, why? Son bitch, bro. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Get seconds from time. That needs to be that. So that way it's a function. Okay. Let's see if. Nope, still getting an error here. Why are we getting an error? Oh, because this is added twice. That is why. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm just gonna have to undo a bunch. Please get Indian food, I love it. Okay. Let's try this again. So, we've got this, and I would like to, so we've got that there, there's 2 matches. I want to go, okay, let's just do this for these ones at least. Do this, and we say get seconds from time, and here we can say task manager globals. Make sure task manager global, just like that, okay? We shouldn't have to put those there on this one. Okay, let's replace all. Okay, now we only have to worry about this one, okay? And we want to, again, do this. Then we want to, and that should work, because we shouldn't be replacing. Okay. There you go. Get time from sex. That's the final one here. And same deal. All right. Let's see if this all works now. Great. Nothing is broken. Okay, good. And the whole reason I did that is, oh fuck, I forgot. You can't close that early. Yes. It's basically a guessing game, closing the correct Chrome window. You literally never know. Okay. Oh freaking K. On task creator, task created, task name. Okay, and then we want to go to the actual task. And then in this, instead of doing this, I think, so yeah, here we want to replace that with task manager globals dot get current time sex. Place on. Make sure I didn't break anything. Sec. The assigned value doesn't have a set type. The variable can't be inferred. We don't need to infer it. Okay, and now let's try one more time here. Duty. Nope. Duty. Okay, and now. Uh-oh. That shouldn't usually happen. Okay, we can start this. And there you go. Yeah, okay. For some reason I thought I saw this number change. But that's good. That's good. That's working perfectly as expected. I know we've got those changed. Let's real quick make sure that chapters is working. Okay, so here's this. No, that's not this. Oh, we have to stop. Okay, so we have to go here and I'll hit stop. Oh yeah, we don't need that any longer. Yeah, none of that's gonna work. Yeah. Okay, well, you know what? No, I definitely want that to work. All right. Good news is we can get rid of all of these. Task, creator, task, OS, and string. Beautiful. And then we should be able to go to, is it in here? Chapter selector. Yes, okay, perfecto. Are you sure you want to delete this file? Blah, blah, blah. Confirmation dialog. Should be in the script here. Confirm delete, get files in directory, load file, get time string from seconds. Okay. refresh display. Okay. Delete button press, file button pressed. Now where? Ah, this is it. Nope, that's the same thing. Don't save, I don't know what I just did. When we hit chapters, oh, is that in this? No, the chapters button is not in this. Chapters button, okay. Signal here, and then chapters button, get tree, chapters button, pressed, chapter select, pop-up. Okay, so we're popping this up. Oh no, I am dumb because no, we don't. Yeah, we don't need this. We need this one because when we hit stop, that's what's happening. Okay, so we'll go right here. Start, stop, button toggled, and then here is where what happens if we press stop. Code lagomorph. Is it Philip? What time is it in the Philippines, man? I feel like it's late there. I mean, I honestly have absolutely no concept, but yeah. I feel like that's over there. It's in that far way place. Space. Task manager globals set active but false. Time elapsed equals task manager goals that current time seconds minus start time. So this is the total time elapsed. If YouTube pop-up instance pop-up. Okay, where am I instancing that? Okay, so we're adding that to the parent. Connecting that, and then we're adding that there. Okie dokie. Pop-up instance, not connect set file duration, self on set final duration. That is what we're looking for, folks. Okay, here's where something is getting smeshed up. Oh, wait, no. No. That's not true. This should be fine, actually. Get seconds from time final duration. Minus seconds elapsed. Why would you do? Shouldn't that be 0? No, yes, because in the past I needed to calculate that shit, but now everything's going to be accurate. So we actually don't need to calculate anything. So we don't need to. Yeah, we don't need to do any of this, right? Because we don't need an offset, because save data title chapters. Chapter in chapters. On task completed, chapters.append formatted task name, start time. Okay, so yeah, so we don't need to change their start time or anything like that, because the start time will be correctly set. So that's all we need to do there. And we don't need final duration. Okay. And so we need. Okay, so that's being called by the pop-up instance. Finished pop-up scene. Okay. Set final duration. Oh, what's breaking there? Ah. Okay, cool. So that should work now. And then for here, we just want to get rid of now input this, because we don't need that anymore. Yeah, I think just because I'm just going to leave that there because I'm sure it took quite a bit of effort on my part. I just don't even remember. And then I'm going to go ahead and center this because we probably want that centered. And then I guess I could take this and, god damn it, go like this a little bit. And then we could take the enter button, also move that a little more center. Oh yeah, I want to center the whole thing. That's why. But the panel is obviously that, so we want to grab... Okay, let's do that. Whatever. There's no real way to do that. There is, but it's okay. Let's group them both to the center here. Let's go like that. And then we'll put the enter button also at the center here. Go like that. It also doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to look like pleasing enough, right? That looks good enough to me. Okay. Okay. Now, let's give this a shot. So I'm going to start here. Oh yeah, that's about to pop up down here at the bottom. Let's see. 7:52 a.m. here. 7:52 a.m. What day is it there? Saturday? Oh, I don't know anything in life, man. Why are you up at 7:52, bro? I mean, I pretend like I don't wake up that early, but I usually wake up at like 6:37 anyway. Just not technically naturally. Usually, I'd probably wake up at like 7:30 by myself. But my dogs wake me up. I would like to be able to hit enter to enter those, but it's some very high quality stufa. So I'll hit stop, I'll hit completed. Now if I go to chapters, oh no, I'm sorry. I need to go hit stop. So we can do that. I'll hit enter. I'll hit enter. Oh, I know what is happening. Did I exit out of it? Am I fucking stupid, bro? Okay. On enter button. Yeah, so we no longer need this check, is the thing. Yeah. Alright. Save. Now can I do this? Nice. Okay, now if I go to chapters, now it exists. Hey, there we go. We've got the intro, and then we've got the time that I made that task. And then so all I have to do is just copy and paste this and into my things, and there we go. I've automated that process a wee bit. Okay, so that is the first part. I would love to have actually have a little button here to check that off, because that feels real good. Okie dokie. Oh, I forgot. Only the ending point really matters, but anyway. Oh no. Alright, so my girlfriend said she was ordering Indian food, which to me is a fantastic thing. But then I didn't see the word that followed that, saying, or presumed prefixed it, which was vegan Indian food. Nothing against vegans, it just doesn't taste as good, alright? I mean, it's just true. It's a true fact, right? I've had some delicious vegan food, but I guarantee if you made that shit non-vegan, it'd be a little better. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And don't mean to offend nobody. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, well, I actually want to make things a little more like working there so that. So essentially, the problem I'm trying to solve is that here we have the chat scraping script is being run always, and I don't want it to be run unless I essentially tell this chat player to do it. So let's go. Scrape is not on here, so where the hell is scrape? It's not in chat, not in game scenes. Interesting. Loading, main scene, OAuth 2, task manager. Should not be in there. Huh. Okay, let's go up here. Product settings, auto loads. Get Python chat scrape. Where the hell did I put that? So it wasn't chat scraping. Oh, that's GD. Never mind. For some reason, I thought that was a Python file. Okay, cool. So here's this. What's your plan for today, Code Langomorph? Why do I need the port and shit here? I mean, that's probably, someone could probably hack me, but you know, I beg of you, please don't. I actually have a defense program that swats the IP address who tries to hack me, right? So I would be careful. I'm just kidding. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, notification what? So, okay. Now this is good. This is in the ready process. We want that on YouTube API. Okay, no. We're connecting YouTube API connect broadcast received. And then whenever that happens, then we are doing this, right? LiveStream URL plus equals that, start listening, start scraping. Okay. So what we want to do is essentially just make this its own function. So start listening, start scraping. So I want to leave that, and then success, broadcast receive. Okay, so we don't need this any longer. We'll do this, get rid of this. Oh, we don't want this connected anymore. Do I want that as like a check to have to make sure that I receive the broadcast ID from YouTube? I think I'm going to put the check elsewhere. So essentially, in the main scene here, when I'm running this, I would like to be able to like go like down here to the bottom of the screen and click chat, and then have the chat start up. Because there's going to be times where I don't want the chat, or at least I want to hide the chat or something like that. I mean, I guess I do want it to start automatically. Don't I? Yeah, I guess I do. I guess I do. I don't know. I'm at a loss. Because I'm just trying to think of the possibilities here. So if it starts automatically, like that's probably what I want. I'm rarely going to start a stream and not want the chat to be displayed down there. And if it does, I can just hide it. But the problem is, like, I think that's a problem I can deal with later on. But like, essentially, if people are chatting and it's hidden, do I give them experience or not? Because I want to make this like kind of like a game. So that's the problem with that. But let's see, what's in the debugger here? Oh God, why do they do this? Okay. So. So I'm actually going to go back to the get Python chat script, And I'm going to do this again. And then I'd like to have like a flag called listening. And then so I can say, oh, is broadcasting. Okay, so is broadcasting either true or false? Start listening. Beautiful. Is broadcasting. So we can always check if it's broadcasting. Okay, so I'm going to keep that open, and then we'll go back here. So our chat manager. Okay, and then so by default, so I'll show you what happens for anyone who's still here. So if we run this, I've made just a basic animation system where if someone chats, it'll say their chat right there, and stuff like that. But what I'd like to do now is rearrange the whole thing, because I think putting it up in the top left is not a good idea. Like, that's gonna block out, and I don't know if it's... No, it's not gonna be there. Can no one see anything right now? Oh wait, what the heck? Wait, am I tripping? Yeah, okay, never mind, I'm tripping. Sometimes, because it's, yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna explain myself. I don't have to explain myself to you. Okay, so yeah, so if you can imagine, if this was like up here, that would be blocking like all of this. I mean, granted, it would only be as visible as this, but it's a lot more stuff. So I think putting it like down here would be a much better idea. And I was actually going to make it much more horizontal, like kind of like this, like taking up this whole space. But now that I look at it, I'd probably also want people to be able to see the output here. Although this is a better space. This is an even better dead space, except when I'm in a script. Oopsies. When I'm in a script, oh, same deal. And mostly the output that's going to be all over here is not super duper relevant. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change it to do that. So here's that. Go to this. I want to put it in the center. I'm sorry, not center, center bottom. And then I'm going to change some things about the min size here. Let's see, do I have anything coding it? It's not a tool script, so we should be good. This one. Okay. So we what do we want the height to be? Oops, not that. I'm going to run this. Okay, so I'd probably want the height to be a little less than what it is. What if we set the min size to 400 or 450? That's the wrong one. We probably want this to be like 800. Oh, why is that happening? My monitor just freaked out. Okay. That was gonna happen. I'm actually, for right now, I'm going to shut that off because, as you can see, I just blocked all your guys' view of what I was doing, and I forget that. Okay, so we probably want that like that, and then I'm going to reduce the height here to 500. Oh, this needs to be 500 first. Then we can do that. Okay, and then we'll do center bottom. And now let's see how that looks. Oh, wrong one again. This one. That's like perfect. I mean, I probably need a teensy bit bigger, but I'm also gonna make the chat player different right now. Because, sorry, so we know that this is 800 in the X. So if we make the chat player by default, oh, we probably don't want it more. We could probably stretch this to 700, huh? Size, that. Okay, and then, oh, wait a second, did I do that? Oh yeah, that's, okay. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, so we'll do 700. Why is it 243? Round numbers only. Oh, because I minimized it as small as possible. All right, well then, our floaty boat. I'm probably gonna change that in a second. Anyway, because this doesn't need to be this long, you know what I mean? So we've got this VBox container. Here is the identifier, and then I think I want to put the these things into here, like that. Yeah, exactly like that, actually. Okay, and then in between here, we'll go ahead and add a V separator, just like that. And I want to put this right there. And then we can custom styles, style box line, this color, and then we can adjust the thickness. Oh. It should, so it's a V separator. Oh, vertical. That's why. Okay, cool. Set this to 3. Just 3 look like. That's a little thick. Here, maybe if I zoom in, I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Let's make this. Okay, let's just make it 2. 2 looks good. And then I think we can adjust. So we can, I think. No, that's not what we want. Custom constants. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. That allows us to adjust the separation. So we'll make this 15. Something like that. Okay. And then, actually, I think what I'll do instead of that is to actually just adjust this separation here to something like 10, like that. Cool. And then we'll go to level label, and I'll change this to say, I think we're gonna say LV1. The other problem with this is that we're also going to potentially have icons right here, right? So it's going to really smush this thing. And then, you know, it's going to be real small if we got an icon as well. I mean, the icon will probably only be like that big. But this does make this much, much smaller. Doesn't it? How big is this thing? That's only 40. Nah, screw that. I'm gonna undo everything I just did. Everything. We're putting it back to the old thingamajigga. Okay, now we're back. Bot Studio, what's going on, man? I don't know how long ago you said that. Okay, so we got the player name, we got the experience, we got all this stufa. Now it's time to hook it up to this bad boy. Oh, so I've got some like test things, transition in tween. Okay, so this is just transitioning in. And then this is the stuff that I added for testing purposes that we no longer need. Physics process, that's all good. Give XP. Beautiful. On timer timeout. Okay, that's all good. That's all good. Thanks, man. I'm glad to be finally back on it for a little bit. Trying to make this system that is for streaming, right? And so I've kind of demoed it a little bit, but I'll show you in a second exactly how cool this is when this starts to work, hopefully. Okay, so let's again run this. So this should. So yeah, so there's the live chat coming in, which is great. Yeah, a little. What? I'm streaming. Okay. Oh, she thought I said I want a little. We're talking about marijuana, folks. Okay, so at 500, it's not quite. That's the smallest it can get. Okay, so we know that these are 243. So 500 should be fine, but I guess it's just not. How big is the margin on this thing? It's 40, so that should work. No, it will not work. Let's make this 540. Center bottom. Okay, and now if we think about how much this is going to take up, this is going to take up like right there, so that should be okay. Why are you always in the moon? Oh, but you know what? I just realized that we can make this as long as we want. So dumb, dude. Okay, so I don't think it's going to let me redo everything I just did. Yep, nothing to redo. That's great. That's fine. Because we can potentially... So now I have to actually go look at my OBS Studio here. So I kind of have to guesstimate this, I guess, and then just kind of mess with it until it looks good. Let's see if that looks right. And then, all right, let's go to main. I'm gonna go ahead and add chat. Oopsies. Chat manager scene right there. Okay, and then we'll run this. Okay, and now we can see. So that's gonna be like potentially the chat boxes, and that's definitely too thick. So I think what I'm gonna do is narrow that down, thin these out, and then spread this out so it comes more to there. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Like you're seeing me make this in real time. Okay, so probably something like this, and then probably want to. Okay, so we want the size and the X. Oopsies, that's the wrong thing I just messed with. No, it's not the right thing. Surprised that worked. Okay, so min size is, let's do like 1200. I think that looked all right. Now let's do 1400. That looks all right. And then we can take the Y value down to 400. Oopsies. 400. Okay, and then we'll do it from the bottom right. Okay, and then we'll do, and then we want to this is the tough part, is that we're never really actually going to be able to, I keep forgetting you can't do that. You have to click to move. Oh my god, dude, just stop it. Okay, so something like that. Like that. How's that looking? Not bad. All right. Yeah, I don't think that's bad at all, especially because I'm going to make it a little less obtrusive there. You know, like when there's not chat, which is going to be a lot of the stream, it's going to be, I'll probably just make it less visible than this. Whoa, my mouse is creeping out. Less visible than this thing, honestly, because this, I feel like I'm gonna have stuff here that you actually want to see, you be able to see, like, oh, what did he work on? This, if there's no chat here, this can be invisible. You know what I mean? Or practically invisible, like 0.2 opacity. So that's cool. Yeah. But that is looking good. I think that's definitely good enough. Okay, so now what I want to do is fix this chat player again. So we'll take. Oh, this is a horizontal. Yeah, so we'll get rid of that. Just gonna stick these in here. We can get rid of this. Okay, and then we can take the whole thing here. No, the whole panel container, and then we can do this. And so this, we could probably extend the Y out to like 1,000. Like, oopsies, the X out to 1,000. 1,200. Okay, so now we have to do quite a few things to fix this up. So we'll go to this, and I'll again go to the separation, and I'll put this at like 15. So it's actually pretty good there. Okay, and then again, I do want to add a V separator. Got some styles, new Starbucks line, separation 2. Make this white, and then we'll put that right there. Okay, and then level label, say LV1. Oh, my mouse is dying a cold hard death. Also, we have the opportunity to put an icon here. So the idea is that just knock my mic out. Okay. Once you like level up to some amount, like we'll probably make it like level 10 or something. Level 5, you'll be able to like customize what color your name is. Level 10, you can add an icon. You know, this level you can like, I don't know, like you can have command effects, like add effects to the screen, stuff like that. The idea is that like we give people experience for watching my streams. Yeah, okay, so let's take this and minimize that. And then, so what I want to do is fix the progress bar, because it's also, this is all going to break the script. So we have to go to glow bar, change this to color rect. Okay, so we just gotta, oopsies. Why does that not work? So everywhere it says XP. Oh, we just have to change XP for identifier. There we go. Okay, and now let's see if this works. No breaking. Cool, nothing. I swear I heard my phone go off, but it did not. I dare say that's not thick enough. There we go. Yeah, I like them thick. When I was in an EMT, which is, if you don't know, it's like kind of like a mini paramedic. We don't do nearly as much, and we're kind of bitch grunts of the healthcare system. There was this really funny, really vulgar dude, and he was ironically Muslim, which is typically a very strict religion, obviously, and just always was talking about fucking chicks. And he was such a weird dude. And he was like, bro, you like skinny girls? And I'm like, or like, do you like girls? Do you like them fat? Do you like them skinny? And I was like, I guess skinny. And he goes, nah, bro, me, I like them thick. In like a really thick, like Arabic accent. This guy, he was so funny. I loved him. I didn't like working with him though, because he would like say this shit. He had like no situational awareness, and he would like say this shit in front of like nurses, or like not like right in front of them, but like he would just not think like they could hear him, but we're like not even 5 feet away from the nursing station. So, just absurd. I'm surprised he didn't get like sued, or like, you know, someone didn't complain to our company, because it was inappropriate, but also hysterical. He showed me this picture of this girl. He was so proud, and she was like obese, and I was like, oh. He's like, yeah, I like them thick, bro. And I was like, all right, I mean, whatever floats your boat, man. Okay, so anyway, the reason I want to do this is because, so we have this right now on expand, which I do not want. I don't want it to expand. All I want to do is set the min size X to something. So we say like 200 maybe? Nope, let's do 400. That looks like a reasonable amount of XP to like grow. You know what I mean? Okay, so we've got the player name, level, and we've got this. There's a lot of customization to be had here. Because we've got this, and then we've got auto wrap is on. I think that's fine. Okay. And so now if we go to, well, we can just run the whole thing here. Oh, did I set the size and not the min size? I can, fuck. Yeah, this is dying. Progress bar. Yes, I did. I set the size and not the min size. So this, what did I have? 400? Yeah, that looks good. Very, very nice. Okay, and now I can shrink it a little more even, which is nice because it is a little bit too thick, just like he likes them. I think we could probably knock this down to 300. Of course. Why would you go the way I want you to go, huh? Oh my god. Don't make it easy for me, please. I hate it when it is too easy. Nope, that's too small. God damn it. 340. Yeah, that looks good. That looks like a nice little thing. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna get like your guys' chat actually coming in here. And so to do that, be real fun. I guess we'll do this on ready. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this. And then what I want to do is connect it up with the get Python chat scrape. And then, so here in the process function, it is returning to us these packets, right? Process PIDs, append array packet, print packet. If it's chat, print packet, key input, print packet. Okay, so this is PIDs. Okay, so basically PIDs are the process IDs of all the functions, and the reason I do this is so that, because I'm opening like several Python scripts and web scrapers, this adds all the PIDs of all those scripts, Python scripts that I run, to a list, and then when I quit the app, it runs through that whole list before it quits Godot and quits those, and kills those processes. So yeah, that's that. And then here right now, what we're doing is we're printing chat. I've also made it so that we have key input here. And this uses a Python script that takes like, so I can do hotkeys in the future, but I have to get that working because there's a lot of considerations I have to think about with that. But anyway, chat. So right now what we're doing is just printing the packet, right? And this should just be a list of all the peers. Yeah. So there should be a list of everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new signal. So I'm going to say signal, chat, packet, received, okay, and then we'll say chat, packet, okay. And so essentially we're going to now go emit signal, chat, packet, received, and then we're going to say packet. Okay, beautiful. Now what we need to do is go into this script, and I'm going to connect that signal in our ready function here. So we're going to say, yeah, probably right here is Godot. We're going to say, what is it? Get Python chat scrape dot connect chat packet received self, and then I always just take this, and I'm going to go on chat packet received, and then I'll make that function. Okay. Wait, why don't you like this? Oh, forgot to put a. There you go. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'll put that right here. Pass, and then of course we need to add that chat I'll just keep that as chat, and then this is going to be type array, and that's just to keep me like aware of what that is, and also so that way I can type hint for stuff and like get the functions quickly. Okay, so on chat packet received. So we've connected this, and so when this receives a packet, what is it going to do? Well, we want to spawn. Oh, we need to get the information of what it is. So we'll say for chat in packet, and then I'll say no, fuck. For user in packet, I don't know. Comment? There we go. Yeah, I'll say comment, I guess. I guess it's a live chat comment. For comment in packet, which is saying chat. I don't know why I said packet. For comment in chat, and we'll say print comment. And this is a good way. We can just check if everything's working here. Okay. This is a problem with the chat manager. So I've actually done this in a weird way. Oh yes, the reason I did this way was because go to mouse, and then we need to go pass. That's why that was happening. But the reason I did this way was because I want to have this button here, so when one of them's hidden, we can do that, and then we could say show chat or hide chat, which is good. But I should, I'll deal with that in a second, because it's pretty low on my list right now. I just need to get this working. Okay. Nope, don't need to be here. We need to be here, and then we'll just run it. Okay, and now what it should do is print. Why do this? Chat manager. Oh, it's because I just added it here. Okay, so we need to this. First of all, I'm going to rename this to chat manager control. Okay, and then main. I'm actually just going to delete that. And then we're just going to add it again. Yeah, it's just better to do it that way. Some things like don't sync over when you save, which is weird, but this should have. Yep, so that's on pass now, and hopefully, nope, what the fudge, bro? And then I'd imagine that if I just delete this and run this, then it's going to detect my mouse again. Okay, so yeah, so it is that, but it doesn't quite make sense why it is that. Because it says pass. What if we just put ignore? There we go. Okay, so that works. Yeah, we also don't need that to be interactive whatsoever, except, yeah, we'll put like a little X here to hide chat or something. We'll put a little like hide chat, show chat button right there. But anyway, let's see how it looks on OBS. Or more importantly on YouTube. Yeah, that doesn't look like too distractive, especially once I make the code so that it tweens transparent. I think that'll be great. But it is currently not. So we should be getting these packet receive signals from. Oh, we're not because I didn't click the start button. Okay, wait for it. Oh, it's not going to spawn them yet. It's just going to print. Oh, what? Roll. That's whack. Okay, let's see. What went wrong there? First off, let's just print hello here. Make sure that, yeah, so that is that. Ready, get Python chatescape.connect, this and that. So it should be right now already connected, right? So if I do this, let's actually just make sure print. Okay, run this. It should say, oh, it's not saying connected right away. Is this in chat player? Oh, I'm stupid, dude. I'm so dumb. Dummy. Dummy, 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 da dum dum. Okay, we need to put this in chat manager, bro. Okay. Okay, and then go here. What was I thinking? I wouldn't be surprised if this worked first try. Hey, it worked. But it's not getting the whole chat. I guess it's only getting the most recent chats. Because the window's too small? No. That's just because that's all the chat in the thing. Okay, but that's fine. All right, so you can see, is anyone still watching me? 2 people still watching me. All right, so we've got Bot Studio down there in the chat, and he's left 3 comments. And so what we can do now is actually spawn in for him. So we can say for chat and comment. So you can, 0 is the person. So I could do something like this. For comment in chat, var user equals comment 0, and then we'll say var, and I might, I don't know, we'll see. And then we'll say var, I don't know, we can't say. Oh, we can just say comment equals. Yeah, that's what you're saying. Font comment equals, or comment 1. And then, oh, no, this is in the wrong one again, dude. This shouldn't be in there. This should be in this one, this script. Okay. Okie dokie, there's this. And then, yeah, there we go. Okay, and then what we want to do is then just spawn a chat player. And so we'll do a spawn chat player. And then, well, right now, I do want to actually put this in. And then I want to go yield get underscore tree dot. Well, we shouldn't actually do it that way. We should actually add a timer. Here, I'll just do it this way. No, we'll do it this way. So I'm gonna add a, yeah, we'll add a timer here. I'll add it here. Okay, this is gonna be, fuck it, I'll just call it a timer. Okay, so idle time, the wait time is gonna be a 1-shot timer. We don't want to auto start, and the wait time I'll put as like like half a second maybe. We'll start, yeah, we'll try that. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is come in here and I'm gonna say on ready bar. On ready bar chat timer equals timer. Cool. Okay. And then we'll come right here, spawn chat player, and then we'll say timer, oopsies, chat timer dot start, and then we'll yield for chat underscore timer, and then we want to yield for timeout. Okay, so we'll start the timer and then wait till it times out at the end of each of these blocks, and so that way, if there's like too many chats coming in at once, yeah, if there's too many chats coming in at once, this will like space them out a little more evenly. So we should see that because Bot2's got 3 comments. Hopefully those are still there and it doesn't refresh those. Again, that won't be a problem in real life because I'll be starting this from the before it happens. Okay, on chat, fact receive, chat, array. Oh yes, we want to actually integrate our user and comment information into the player instance scene. Actually, I want to really quickly look up the init function. Init should not be called manually. Overrides, initialize instead. Okay, called once during initialization. Can you add arguments to that? I don't know. I don't know how to use it. That's a horrible description. Well, no, it makes sense it's called during initialization, but I can't add arguments to it like I could like a real init typically. Ooh. Can you hear the mic pick those ones up, yeah? Okay, so the idea is that I can assign a bunch of variables here. Oh, I have it right here, player info. And then I don't think I have any way to... So name, icon, and then we need to put XP, of course. And then here we need to put something, and then something. So describe to ACB_games. Okay, and then this will be comment. Yeah, comment. I'll actually change this to user. Cool. Oh, needs a comma. Okay, then for right now, what we'll do, well, we don't need to do all those, but, okay, we don't want that in our ready. Yes, we do. This is chat player. Okay, I keep getting confused which script I'm in. So we are in chat player, which we want, and then ready before anything happens. What we want is to set all of these values to the correct things. So we want to say icon null. Okay, so we've got icon. We want to say name, name label dot text, and we're gonna equal. We could do set text, but it doesn't really matter. Name label dot text equals player info user. Okay, and then we'll say comment label dot text equals player info comment. Okay, for right now that's fine. I mean, eventually we'll want to actually, customize all of it, but hopefully that will work. Now what we do is we want this chat manager. While we are in here, what we do is in spawn chat player, we're going to take two arguments, user and comment. Change that to name. Oh, we can't use the word name? All right. That's problematic. Yeah, we'll just change that. We'll keep it as user. Okay, so we'll say user comment. Okay, and now, of course, before we add the child, we simply go player instance dot player info Okay. Just to get this like quick and dirty, get this working, I think I am just going to do this. So player info, and then we'll say user equals user. Okay. And then just do this. Player info dot comment equals comment. Okay, so we're setting those, and then it's gonna do that. All right, let's give it a shot, see if this works. It's loading. The first time it takes quite a while to load the comments. All right, and there you go, dude. Okay, and then they slowly disintegrate like that. So here, let's type one in. Well, I can't type one there, but I should be able to go hello. I wonder how long that's going to take. It should take at least 6 seconds, right? There's a 6-second latency. And then after the 6 seconds, it should pop up here. Oh, awesome. So the second it pops up in my live chat, it pops up there. So you can see that pops up. Now, obviously, I need it to give me... But it's saying ACB Games, and it says what I say. It's like Bot Studio. If you want to try that, I mean, I would love to see someone else other than myself put something. What's going on? It's good though, because the second it shows up on the actual chat, it comes up here. What's going on? So that's great. That is very, very good. Hey, yeah. Okay, so that's very good. That means that's working. So the reason I was kind of like tripping out a little bit before is that this is going to be very bulky once we start getting into like, I mean, there's a lot of things to fill in for this, right? So we need the XP, we need the icon, user, comment, icon. Let's go to chat player and just like visualize it. So we need the name, the icon. Well, I guess we'll calculate the level. We just need the name, icon, comment, and XP. So that's only 4 things. Okay, so that's actually not that bad, right? Yeah, that's everything we're going to need. Oh, that's not true. Because I want people to eventually be able to like customize the color of the stuff if they get enough like chat experience going on. I can't believe people were so unimpressed with that, who've lost followers. But anyway, this is kind of working for right now. I don't know if I'm going to figure out the XP tonight. My thing is tomorrow at 11, so I think I'm going to take the rest of the night off, relax, and then hopefully try to finish off getting like actually giving XP to people tomorrow. Because I would love to, because I think that stream is going to pop off. But real quickly, what I do want to do before I'm done, the final last touch, is to actually make this kind of fade itself in and out. So we've got this script, obviously, and I only want it to be visible when one of the this chat, right? So this should be receiving that on chat packet received. So ready, I'm going to say modulate dot a equals we'll do like 0.2 maybe, 0.25. So here, I'll do another constant alpha value, and we'll set this equal to, well actually, we'll just do 0.5. We'll do 0.5 for right now, 0.5, okay, and then we'll say alpha value, okay, and then we're going to need 2 things. We're going to need a tween. Actually, for the tween, I'm kind of down. I really like doing on ready var tween equals tween dot new, and this works just fine. Oh, except we do have to add it to the tree. Nah, fuck it. Let's just do it this way. Okay, so we'll add tween. Oh yeah, and then so right now what I would want to do is make a signal right here. Well, actually, we'll keep player signal. So we'll say sig technically signals are supposed to go there. Signal. Player fading. Okay, and then I'll just say dying. No, it's okay. I hate naming stuff. I don't know if that's just me, but it's like I feel like the hardest part of programming sometimes. Okay, so signal, player fading, and then essentially right here on timer timeout, we're doing all this stuff, right? And auto start one shot. Okay, cool. Then what we're gonna do is on this, we're gonna say queue free. Right where it says queue free, what we're going to do is then say emit signal. Fuck, what is the signal? Player fading. Okay, mid signal, player fading. Okay, then in chat manager, this chat manager, what we're going to do is every time we spawn a player, we're going to say player instance dot connect. Why is it not there? Player fading, there we go, to self, and then obviously we'll say on player fading, just like that. Okay, and then obviously I need to make that function. On player fading, pass, and then what we'll do every time a player fades is we will check the chat box. Yep, so we'll check chat box. And we'll say if chat box dot get child count, there we go, equals 0, then we'll start a tween to fade ourselves back to invisible, right? So then we'll say, did I get the tween? I did not get the tween. On ready var tween equals tween, and then here we'll just say tween dot interpolate prop. Abigail? She could just walk right by me. I have no idea. Interpolate property self. Oh. No, actually that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Self. And then we'll go modulate a. Abigail?
Yeah.
Is there food here?
Yeah.
It's been here?
It,
Oh, just got here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I missed it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Initial value. Yeah. So initial value is going to be our modulate dot a, and then on player fading. If chat box is empty, if there's no more players, tween dot interpolate property self from our modulate, from our current modulate down to our alpha value. Okay, and we'll do this over 0.5 seconds. We'll do a tween trans sign, and then we'll do an ease out, just like that. Okay, and then that's actually correct. Oopsies. Oopsies. And we'll do tween dot start. Okay, and then all we need to do is that on chat player here would not spawn chat player, but on chat packet received, we will say modulate dot a equals 1. Okay, and then yeah, and then so we do that in the ready function, so we should be able to test this out now. So as you can see, it hasn't updated there, but wait, I'll start this. Uh-oh. Why did it not work? I needed it to work because I'm pretty over this right now, eh? First of all, chat timer needs to be at least a full second because that's absurdly fast. I think I'm going to say less than or equal to 1. Wait, why is the time fucked up again? Oh no, man. Okay, that worked. Cool. I mean, I could definitely see some issues with that. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for the live Godot Q&A stream. I've got a little Google form for you to check out if you want to submit anything. Just hop onto my Discord. The link is in the description. And head on over here. And then in announcements, we got, here's the Google form right here. In fact, I can just drop that in the chat, except I don't think it works in chat, so never mind. But yeah, you just fill out the form, quick and simple little, put your name, put your question, and then you can go and even check, not this one. There's a link to the stream, and then you can also check what other people said. Okay, so we got a few, only 3 so far, but that's fine. Zetti's fine. Ugh, yeah. Lots of formatting issues with that, but that's good. Anyway, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out, and